Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming version and license. Write down the build number. Next, check file permissions and free disk space. Make sure services the app depends on are running. Once done, gather logs, app, log, system, log, and a timestamped error example so you can reproduce the issue. Also note recent changes you made. Configuration edits are often the culprit. These steps prepare you to act quickly, and they save time when you reach deeper diagnostics. Now enable debug logging and reproduce the problem so you catch stack traces and error codes. Then, compare the active configuration to a clean default. Validate JSON or YAML syntax. A stray comma breaks parsing. Next, verify network endpoints, open ports, and firewall rules since multi-space communicates with services. Make sure timeouts are sufficient. If you changed concurrency or memory settings, revert to known good values and restart the server. Apply the targeted fix. Restore a working config, apply the vendor patch, or correct file permissions. Do one change at a time so you know what worked. Then restart dependent services in the recommended order and run a clean test scenario to verify behavior. If everything passes, document the change and schedule monitoring. If the issue persists, capture new logs and stack traces, annotate them with timestamps and steps taken, and escalate to support with those samples. This speeds resolution dramatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.